to go out in the blizzard. So, yeah, we're crazy, but here we go.
Insane in the membrane.
Going outside all day.
Insane in the brain.
Holy shit. Look at that. I can't even, like, step on the porch. Look at this. I don't even know where the porch is. Oh. Look at that. Oh my god. Hey, look, there's a flower. Oh, shit. It's like getting in my face.
Thank you, snowplow guy. So this is the blizzard.
This is amazing. Hold on. I want to see what happens when I try to step down. This is dangerous, everyone. Here I go.
Okay, I'm filming your feet. So sinks up almost to your knees when you step out onto the first stair.
And this isn't even the end. Like, there are no footprints in the snow. It's so weird. You want to go find my car? Where is my car?
I really don't know.
Oh my gosh, look at this. I could, oh my, jeez.
Yep, it's up to our knees.
I feel like the song. Baby, oh my God. It's up to your knees.
Yeah, only it actually is
Look
up
at
to our
this.
knees. Oh,
Snow. Is
okay.
awesome.
This.
Yeah! I threw a snowball. It wasn't that exciting.
Okay, hold on. Film me. Hold on.
Okay. Okay. Oh my god, the screen is wet.
This is how deep the snow is. It comes up to my knees.
This has never happened to me before. See, I am from Texas, so this whole thing is like a whole new world to me.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Hi.
It's like freezing.
Up to my knees.
Wow.
That's like snow that's about this high from my foot to my knee.
Okay.
It's like a foot and a half. 2 feet of snow.
It's cold.
It's been snowing all day, non-stop since 6 a.m. Right now, it's what, 5 o'clock?
It's like 5:30 or
5:30.
no. It's not even 5 yet, I don't
No,
think.
it's not. Okay, well, it's almost 5 o'clock. There's the guy snowplowing.
Yeah.
Okay.
That must be.
I'll film up
Look at these
periodically
cars.
so you can look at this dachshund. Okay, this is where it's at right now. About half of it is covered. By
The
tonight,
pole
it's
goes
probably going to
down.
be like all the way up.
Wow. Oh, I wish our dog Molly was here.
Oh, she wouldn't know what to do with herself. I don't even know.
She'd
if I'd
be
wanna
going
go outside
crazy.
this.
She'd probably. Her head would be like right above the thing.
Yeah. Oops. I cursed.
That's okay.
We're gonna cut that out.
I don't think anyone will care. I'm cold. Do you want to go find my car or go inside?
Honestly, I don't even know if I could be able to tell which one is this house. Oh, look at these cars. Look at how covered they are.
I'd be able to tell. Well, maybe not.
I don't even remember where I parked your car.
I don't know. Probably way over there because everyone was here when we got back.
Ugh.
This is the yard. I mean, this should be grass right here. And that's supposed to be the sidewalk. And I think I'm on the sidewalk right here. And I don't really know where the porch ends and begins. I feel like I'm, like, swimming in snow.
I've never even seen this much snow before, and I've lived in this state my entire life.
Well, that's crazy. Take your glasses off. Say hello.
Hi.
Sorry. I like your eyes. Okay. Let's go. Let's go back inside. This was a bad idea.
Look, film these cars down there. They're literally completely covered in in snow.
Oh my god. Here. You look like you have a bad case of dandruff.
Silly. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, snowdrift. Okay. This car over here, these cars down here are literally completely covered in snow. Oh. Looks like this person tried to leave recently. Okay, this car almost completely covered. This car, that one, not this, that, completely covered in snow. And so are those two. I think maybe one of those two might be our car. Or maybe it's... Okay. So yeah. The Great Missouri Snowstorm of 2011. Yeah.